what we got here. Look what we got here. The first time Mr. Bernard, Scott Bernard is here. We're gonna do what? The sugar free. The sugar free. Yo, this is no joke. Mr. Bernard, you ready?
Listen, man, I was born ready. It's your boy Scott Bernard. I'm here with my little big bro, Demar Jakes, man. I had to show love, man, because he always doing my routines. And I put him through some grown man routines.
Yes, sir.
And completed. So I had to show love and do the sugar free. So that's
right.
Here.
Yo, some medium Jamaican trainer, guys. I am so excited. I got my big bro, yes, Scott Bernard, here today to complete the sugar free. Guys, let me tell you something. We had Jamala do it. We had J-Port do it. J-Port said after he was sugar free. I want to see what Scott says after him done. I mean, have to hit the sugar free dance after you complete it because it's a must. It's a routine. Guys, this workout is legendary. Guys, but let me tell you something. I hear people come up to me and say, yo, I'm doing what you say. I'm following that routine. And I want to thank you guys so much. And I want you guys to continue doing it because guess what? You guys will improve. You're going to see some progress. That's motivation right there. Determination, completing it. So guys, thank you. But without further ado, let's get busy. But
sugar free.
we need that intro. Let's go.
Sugar free.
Yeah.
We ready?
Yeah.
Bernard, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
DeMarge, you ready?
Yeah, well, how we gonna do it?
You know how we gonna do it.
Scott,
Yep.
I think you're up first.
Yes, sir.
No,
You are up first.
no, you're doing it together.
One break.
Huh?
One massive one.
No. One at a time, right?
One at a time?
Yeah, one at a
That's
time.
the only one we're doing it.
Okay.
I don't touch that one no more.
Okay.
Ready, Scott?
You ready, Mr. Bernard?
Oh my God.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, let's go. Here we go.
Keep them low. Keep them low.
Let's go, Scott.
Yes, go. Let's go, Mr. Bernard.
Push.
Woo! 1,
One,
2, 3, 4, 5. Let's
get
go.
that burpee.
Burpees.
Let's get that burpee.
Get that burpee in.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh
Come
my
on.
God.
Come on.
Let's go, Scott.
Keep it low.
There we go.
Low, low. Bend those legs.
Low.
Low.
Oh my God.
Bend those legs. Yes, sir.
The sugar free,
Yes.
baby.
Keep them low. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is the sugar free.
Sugar free.
baby.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go, Mr. Bernard. Let's go. You got this. You got this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go, my brother.
You got this.
Let's go. 1. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on.
You got this. You got this, Mr. Bernard. You got this.
15. Cheer
Come
man.
on. You got this. Let's go.
Yeah.
Cheer him on. Come on.
Let's go.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's go.
Let's go. Give me that burpee. Clean burpee.
Give me that burpee. Let me get that.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Woo.
Let's go.
Let's go, Mr. Bernard.
go.
Come on. Keep it low. Yes. Yes. Yes.
That's right. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah,
Woo. Come on.
15.
Sugar free. Mr. Bernard doing the sugar free. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
Come on. No. 9, 10, 11.
12, 13, 14, 15.
Come on.
5 more. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. You got this. You got this, Mr. Bernard.
Give me that burpee. Give me that burpee. Yes, man. Here we go. 2 more landings away. 2 more landings away. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 25.
25. Let's go, Mr. Bernard.
5. 25.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. You got this.
Come on. 3, 9.
9, 10. Woo. 11, 12,
Let's go.
13, 14, 15,
Let's go. Come on.
15.
Come on. Yes,
You got
man.
this. Come on.
It's sugar free. I know.
How are you
it's
feeling?
15. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Scott.
15,
Got this.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
21. 25. Let me get that burpee, Scott.
Let me get that burpee, Mr. Bernard.
Get that. I need that. Burpee. One more landing away. I see that sweat dripping. I see it.
Woo!
Yeah. You're up here. You have 30 left. You are up here. 30 left.
30 piece. Sugar free.
Sugar free, man.
Let's go.
No joke.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. That's a sugar free. He's sweating.
Yeah.
You see those sweat? Yo, look on those sweat.
Yeah.
The sugar free is for real.
10. Let's go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
You got this, Mr. Bernard.
18, 19, 20. 20, Scott. 10 left. 10 left.
The sugar free, man.
The sugar free, I know. Joke me, I tell you. Let's go. Come on. 10 left. I am complete. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
Let's go, Scott.
Good money.
8,
9, 10.
Let's go, Scott.
10 more.
That's it.
That was it?
It's done.
He did this sugar free.
It's complete. Yo, Scott.
money.
Yo, Scott, we need to ask you right now.
Yeah.
How you feel about the sugar free?
Yo, let me tell you. When you like hear about the routine, it doesn't sound too crazy, but when you do it, it's full body.
Full body.
Legs on fire, chest is on fire,
Yeah.
core on fire,
Yeah.
spirit's on fire,
Yeah.
strength no weakness,
Yeah.
strength no weakness,
Yes.
strength no weakness.
Yes. Yo, you gotta do the dance now. Sugar free dance.
Sugar free. Let me show you. So you start off right here. There you go. There you go, so.
Yeah, the sugar free dance.
Sugar free, baby.
Yeah, when you finish the sugar, you gotta do the dance.
Look.
Gotta do the dance. Gotta do the dance. Yes.
Keep back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a sugar free right there. That's a sugar free.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah. So guys, let me tell you something. Scott just complete the sugar free. You guys wanted to see Scott do it. I got Scott here. Scott completed. You heard what he said. Everything was on fire. Everything. Guys, what are you waiting for? Go and complete it. Duet me. Tag me in it.
Yes.
I want to see you do it.
Yes.
I want to give a shout out to Big A. Him complete the sugar free and he was in Puerto Rico.
Are we gonna put that video up soon?
That video will be going up soon. Shout out to Big A. And when it's down here, you guys are gonna see him do it.
And so disclaimer, just a disclaimer for you guys.
Yeah.
Make sure when you're doing this routine,
You have a parent,
you
a
have
guardian.
somebody, a guardians, to make sure you're doing it properly. You don't hurt yourself. So don't take it up on yourself because we don't want you to hurt yourself. So only way you should do this is you have parental guidance. Somebody to supervise you and make sure you're doing it properly. Because we want nobody to get hurt.
Now guys, what you guys want?
The margin you're gonna do,
Woo.
we have another one.
Let's go.
And it's coming.